How to add friends in the Epic Games Launcher. Here is the way to add associates on Epic Video Games. Open the Epic Video Games Launcher, after which choose Associates. If you do not have the Epic Video Games Launcher set up yet, go to epicgames.com, and choose Get Epic Video Games. In case you play a sport like Fortnite on a console or cell, the Epic Video Games Launcher should be put in your home Windows PC or Mac so as to add associates to your Epic Video Games account. Choose the Add Pal icon. Enter your buddy's Epic Video Games show title or email deal within the Add a Pal area, and choose Ship. Your buddy seems within the outgoing part till they settle for your request. In case your buddy accepts your request, the outgoing message disappears, and you may play with them once you're online on the similar time. Choose the Add Pal icon so as to add further associates. Add associates to Epic Video Games from FB and Steam. The opposite means so as to add associates on Epic Video Games is to attach your Epic Video Games account to a different service. It is a nice methodology when you've got associates on different providers that additionally use Epic Video Games. It is also an excellent methodology should you aren't positive what a buddy's show title or email deal with is, since you will not spend time asking and ready for them to reply. The providers that Epic Video Games lets you hook up with are Facebook and Steam. To perform this, you may want your FB or Steam login info, and you may want to provide Epic Video Games permission to connect with your FB or Steam account. When you have two-factor authentication activated on FB, you may want entry to the email you employ with FB. When you have Steam Guard activated, you may want entry to both the Steam app in your telephone or the email you employ with Steam. Here is the way to add associates on Epic Video Games by connecting to Steam or FB. Open the Epic Video Games Launcher, after which choose Associates. Choose the Add Pal icon. Within the Add Providers part, select FB or Steam. In case you selected Steam, choose your Steam account title to proceed. In case your Steam account is not displayed, check into the Steam app in your machine. Epic Video Games cannot detect your Steam account should you aren't signed in. Enter your Steam username and password, then choose Signal, and if you've gotten Steam Guard activated in your account, enter a code from the Steam app in your telephone or look forward to an email from Steam to proceed. Look ahead to the success message, shut the browser window, and return to your mates listing within the Epic Video Games Launcher. If you have not verified your email with Epic Video Games, choose Resend Verification Email, observe the directions within the email you obtain, then choose I have verified my email. You can't proceed without verifying your email. In case you do not see the verification email, examine all of your email folders, together with spam. Select the buddies you need to add, after which choose Add Associates. Even when your Steam friends are taking part in video games like Fortnite, they will not seem on this listing in the event that they did not hyperlink their Epic Video Games and Steam accounts. In case you do not see them on this listing, ask them to hyperlink their accounts or add them as Epic Video Games associates utilizing their show names. Repeat this course of utilizing the FB possibility when you've got FB associates who use Epic Video Games. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.